County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:15 p.m. At 10:57 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cary, or near Algonquin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, North Chicago, Gurnee, and Mundelein. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.